morning. My name is M. Narasimha Rao, lecturer in physics. Today, I am explaining numericals from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Problem number 6.10. A body is moving unidirectionally under the influence of a constant power. Its displacement in the time t seconds is proportional to. Now they told very clearly, there is a one object, there is a one car, it is moving unidirectionally, it is moving in single direction, it is moving along x-axis, it is moving along the horizontal, it is moving in the unidirection, single direction only. It's a meaning the car is moving along the straight line path. Car is moving along the straight line path. After 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, after t seconds, now it's a time after t seconds, now it has gained some velocity. Before 3 seconds, before 4 seconds, before t seconds, let us assume initially the body is in the rest position. Let us assume this car is initially in the rest position. Initially in the rest position means initial velocity is equal to 0. After 3 seconds, after 4 seconds, after 5 seconds, the body gained some velocity. That velocity I am calling as v, meter per second. Final velocity is equal to v after t seconds. After t seconds. Now please listen. Initially, the car is at the point A. After t seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, after 20 seconds, the car has traveled some distance along the straight line path. The car after t seconds, the car has reached to the point B. Initially it is at A. After t seconds, the car is at B. It has traveled in some distance in the straight line path. Distance is equal to displacement. This is the distance traveled by the car. It is the displacement I am representing with S. Displacement is represented by the letter. Displacement is represented by the letter S. Now please listen. Now they told that its displacement in the time t seconds is proportional to. What is the relation between the displacement and the time taken? They have given one hint. Constant power. We know one formula. Power is equal to work done by time taken. Power is equal to work done means force into displacement. Work done means force into displacement. Time I am writing time. Force and displacement both are in the same direction. Work done is equal to force into displacement. Time I am writing t. According to the Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. P is equals to F represents a force. Force F is equal to ma. F means force. Force F is equal to ma. F means ma. S I am writing S. T I am writing T. Here. Acceleration formula A is equals to V minus U by T. We assumed the car is initially in the rest position. Initial velocity is 0, we have assumed. Now a is equals to v. Initially it is in rest, u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. There is no value for 0. V by t. P is equals to m into acceleration. Acceleration means v by t. Acceleration means v by t. Yes, I am writing s. Denominator t. I am writing denominator t. And one more thing. We know one formula. Velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. Velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. Now P is equal to power. P is equal to m by t, s by t, I am writing s by t. V means s by t. V means s by t. V means s by t. P is equals to m into s into s, s square, t into t into t, t cube. Here no one is there, I am writing 1. 1 into ms square is equal to p into t cube, pt cube. M comes to denominator, s square is equal to p. M comes to denominator into t power 3. Now, they told very clearly constant power. Power is constant. P is constant. Mass of the body always constant. P constant, m constant. This totality is constant. X is equal to ky. K is constant. This can be written as x is proportional to y. If you eliminate the constant, we are getting proportionality. Similarly, P is constant, M is constant, P by M is constant, this total term is constant. If you eliminate this constant, we are getting proportionality. If you eliminate this constant, total constant, we are getting proportionality. S square is proportional to t cube. S square is proportional to t cube. That implies S is proportional to t to the power of 3 by 2. S is proportional to t to the power of 3 by 2, where S represents the displacement. Displacement is proportional to the t to the power of 3 by 2. Thank you.